Hey guys, so I get asked this question quite often. If you want to adjust the timing or the synchronization of your bow, how do you know which cable to twist? Well, there's kind of a standard rule of thumb. You always want to twist the cable that is furthest from the axle. So on this particular bow, this is an Obsession FX30 and it has a binary cam system. So on this cam system here, notice you've got a control cable right here actually wrapped around the axle on a track on the cam. And then you have this control cable on another track that is furthest away from the axle. So what you want to do is make your adjustments on the control cable furthest from the axle. Now the way you can test this and make sure that you're using the right cable or modifying the right cable, just put some pressure on the cable that is right there, the one closest to the axle. And notice you don't see any rotation of the cam. However, if you put pressure on this control cable, the one furthest from the axle, notice you can actually see that cam rotating. I hope you can see that in the camera there. So obviously what you want to do is add your twist or remove your twist from this control cable. So the same thing goes for the bottom cam. You don't want to modify this control cable because it's closest to the axle. You want to modify this control cable furthest away because once again you can put pressure and that cam will start rotating. So I hope that helps you guys, because I do get asked that on a lot of private messages quite often on Facebook. So and don't feel bad, because I've asked the same thing many times years and years ago. But as a standard rule, always adjust the cable that is furthest from the axle, and that's going to advance or retract the timing of that cam. Hope that helps. Good luck.